Water coal washing is a kind of coal cleaning technology. Water coal washing technology is to fine wash coal with water, remove the gangue in coal, improve the utilization rate and caloric value of coal so as to reduce the gangue transportation cost and further improve the added value of coal. The product produced in this way is also called water washing coal. The ball press can be used to press the ball granulation, and the shape of the water washing ball press can be replaced. The common is round, square and rectangular, can be controlled by the rolled die. In most cases, the material shape of the water washing coal ball press is spherical, which is conducive to demolding and is not easy to break during transportation.